To create your own profile, just tap the menu key, then create. Now you have the profile name. In this case, let's say we're about to configure one for an RPG game, so let's put RPG. You have now 6 configurable macros. Let's select the first one. Now you can configure your macro the way you want. Let's say this macro is related to a healing function in the game, so let's type heal, and you won't be able to use it for, let's say, 10 seconds, so we type 10 in the cooldown field. Let's choose first the icon. If you don't like any of the preset icons over here, you can just tap the button that says custom image and look for one you like on the gallery. So let's say we want this one. We tap the heal icon, and now we're able to actually set the command list. Here on the command screen we have now 5 sections. One for the holding buttons, which are Control, Alternative, and Shift. Character buttons, which are letters, numbers, and others. Special key buttons, which are set for Windows keys, from F1 up to F12, backspace, escape, and so on. A pause section for seconds and minutes, and the list itself, where you'll see the whole list after adding a bunch of commands over there. Let's try a command list. Let's enter A over here. Now Control H, so you select H instead of A. Toggle Control on, add it over here. You'll see it right there. Now Tab, just remember to toggle off the Control key, otherwise it will just apply to the rest of the character or special keys. Now add Tab, and let's say 2-second pause before adding a tree instead of H over here. And that's it. It's a pretty simple command list. You can now actually delete any of these command items by just long tapping them. Let's say A, you long tap it, and the command is removed. Now that you're done with your list, you can press the menu button, then use. Now that we're done configuring the whole macro window, you can press menu again and set. You'll see your icon turned into a 2-gear icon, which means it's a work in progress. Now let's say we're done for the profile, and we press the menu key again, save profile. Then that's it. You'll have your profile at the end of the list in the main screen, and you can have a couple of more options by long tapping each of them. Let's say you want to delete this one, you can long press it and you'll see edit or delete. So you have both options.